To come into a park that you got so much space and terrain to cover, and right in the middle of like a big, huge neighborhood with apartment buildings and big streets, it's perfect. It's a perfect getaway. We came down here actually just on a Saturday. We didn't have anything to do, and we thought, well, let's just go through it. And then we started finding all these trails. We were realizing this place was a lot larger than it was, and like each little pocket had something different that we found. It's a good way to lose track of the day because it's pretty big when you really start going off the beaten path.
Oh, there you go.
Look at them all go.
Well, I think it's a hidden gem because you're not used to having a forest in the city. We get to see deer and ducks and geese.
You could stay out here all day and never know what you're going to run into. It's kind of a shame that you got all this and nobody knows it's here.